Hi, good morning everyone. Happy Wednesday. Our weather temperature this time here in Stockholm, Sweden is minus 3 degrees Celsius. So I hope it's not so slippery again, uh, just like last night when I came home from my work. So I worked yesterday from 2 o'clock in the afternoon until 8:30 in the evening. So before I came home, I bought this kind of bread. I really like this bread, especially during Christmas time. They have this one here. So I bought this one immediately prior I came home. So I'm going to eat this one on my breakfast. And also I still have my homemade saffron buns bread. So I'm going to eat this one too, one at a time. So I have this one that I make the other days. So I'm going to eat this also on my breakfast. So today is Wednesday, so I still have to work from 7 o'clock until 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's gonna be 8 hours. So from 7 o'clock I will be in charge of the medicine for our patients today. And then later after that, my colleague and I are going to exchange because I will be in charge with the cooking. So for our lunch with to our patients today. So I'm going to cook again. And I love to cook. That is why I really like my work. So happy Wednesday and see you anytime in the afternoon. I will try to cook something also that is easy to make, especially when I have time in the afternoon. I'm sure I still have time. So I'm going to try to cook something. It's easy to make and it's good on your budget. So thank you so much everyone for watching my blog here, and hello to Facebook Reels. Thank you so much for watching me again, and to my TikTok. Thank you so much to my new friends and TikTok for watching me when you have time, and to my YouTube channels also. Thank you so much for watching always. See you anytime in the afternoon. I still have to work. It's my number one priority here in the morning. So thank you and have a beautiful Wednesday to all of you, and happy birthday to those who are celebrating their birthdays also today. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and may God bless us all. Bye bye. Hej då.